We are at the Forum.
Well, I like that style of recording. I can't beat that.
I do it when I'm able to. It's still open. Hasn't closed yet tonight.
And the perpetrators in here, so I don't see how they'd be able to resist this. Yeah, these are definitely replaced.
Yeah.
I want to say, I don't remember if
They have the flush lanterns. They're flat on the panel. I honestly think the flush ones look really nice.
yeah, but
I'm gonna get my cabby view.
yeah, this is definitely a newer.
Yeah, this is. I came here freshman year.
We push it down.
Oh, well,
It's all right.
We'll hit B. It'll go to B first.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. I came here once, and there was an elevator with flush line at the top, but it wasn't working, so I wasn't able to see it.
Well, we can still try to look at it.
Yeah, hopefully it's working this time. I'm gonna get that in a separate video.
When you came here, was this the fixtures that were on here?
I'm pretty sure.
Because I don't know if I've actually. I think I've been in this building. The Forum Tower. I think the name is still the same too, but I'm not sure. A lot of these buildings changed a lot in the last almost, 70 years.
Yeah, that's true.
Last time I was in a lot of these buildings was
There's an emergency power indicator. I've not seen that before. Let's see. Is the penthouse? It is original. I'll get it in. I'll get it.
So we'll
after
take this
I film.
down and
Yeah.
we'll stop taking.
I think it deserves its own video.
Yeah, let's go to B then.
Sure.
Yeah, B's fine. We at least know nobody from B is going to carry it.
And I really like the white fixtures. I think they look nice.
Yeah. Yeah, white fixtures, I think, in some cases are preferable to the now
Red.
common blue.
The blue isn't bad, honestly. Though I like the blue.
The blue looks good.
Blue
but
innovation
it's
looks nice.
Insanely common.
Yeah.
It's like everybody's like, ooh, blue.
I've seen these indicators in amber once or twice, and they looked interesting.
The B button is still illuminated.
I'm gonna video here. These are nice though.